If a compressor high discharge temperature protection。E4压缩机高排放温度保护。若温度没超过115摄氏度 ，if the temperature does not exceed 115 degree， 检查温度传感器电阻是否正常 ，check that the temperature sensor resistance is normal。正常 normal， 更换室外主控制板 ，replace the outdoor main control panel。不正常 abnormal， 更换排放温度传感器 ，replace the discharge temperature sensor。检查过冷气电子膨胀阀与主板连接是否正确 ，check that the subcooler electronic expansion valve is connected to the motherboard correctly。若没接紧，重新过冷气电子膨胀阀 ，if not tightened, raise subcooler electronic expansion valve。若环境温度没超过范围 ，if the ambient temperature does not exceed the range， 检查系统管道中是否有泄漏 ，check system piping for leaks。通过真空抽水和压力保护后焊接泄漏点和填充冷媒 weld leakage points and fill refrigerant after vacuum pumping and pressure protection。最后，检查管道是否堵塞。Finally, check if the pipe is blocked.